In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a high plank on a Bosu ball. Now, firstly, you'll notice here that I've got the inflated side of the Bosu ball in contact with the floor, and I've got the plastic side closest towards the ceiling. Now, if I show you this Bosu ball, you'll notice here that I've got several points that I can put my hands on. Now, I don't want to put my hands anywhere near these metal parts, so I'm going to put my hand either side like so, wrapping my fingers around before I start the exercise. Now, if I show you what that looks like, wrapping my fingers around, I'm on my knees, I'm just going to push down into the Bosu ball to make sure that I'm balanced, and from here, what I'm now going to do is bring myself into a position where my shoulders are over the top of my wrists. Make sure you've got a nice centered position, and then from here bring one leg back, center the Bosu, bring the next leg back, feet are hip width apart. You'll notice I'm on my tiptoes here. I'm also in a position where my shoulders are over the wrists, and you're just going to hold this position for your high plank variation for your desired amount of seconds and sets. Once you're done, pop the knees down. You can bring them down both at the same time or one at a time, and that would be how you do your high plank variation on a Bosu ball.